Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the chrisvossshow.com. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us to YouTube, hit that bell notification button. We're going to be sharing with you all sorts of interesting, funny, cool food videos. And of course, all the latest reviews on phones, headphones, audio equipment, all that sort of good stuff. And so hit that bell and hit that like button and subscribe. Anyway, we are sharing with you today. We're going to be reviewing the In-N-Out Burger, 3x3 animal style burger. So we'll get into what this is, what it means. If you're not familiar with it, In-N-Out Burger has a chain of restaurants that makes fresh burgers and fresh potatoes, fries, and they're in the southwest of America. So if you come out this way or anywhere from around the world, I highly recommend you make a pit stop for this. I have friends that have stopped from Australia and made sure that they have a drop-off point to go see In-N-Out Burger before they leave the country. So you definitely want to check it out. Now, In-N-Out Burger, if you go to one, you see just a plain menu. You see just like burgers, fries, cheeseburgers, shakes, drinks, the usual stuff. But there is what is called the secret menu. And if you take and Google this, you'll find out more about, there's hundreds of different combos you can take and make on the secret menu. It's crazy. So we're going to share one with you here today. That's one of my personal favorites. This one is called the 3x3 animal style burger. Now, if you do go to In-N-Out Burger, I highly recommend you try the fries animal style, which is what we have here. We have animal style fries and we have an animal style burger. And we've actually added one thing that you really can't see, the extra toasted feature, which means they toast each side of the buns so that it helps kind of lock in all those juices and they don't get into the buns. It just makes for a better experience for you. So what this is, it's 3 pieces of meat, 3 pieces of cheese, and it's made animal style, as well as the fries. The fries are all fresh. So what does that mean? What does animal style mean, Chris? What animal style is kind of their specialty. What they do is they take each of the beef patties, they smother them with mustard, then they grill them, and then they top them with this Thousand Isle special sauce that they have. They throw on pickles and grilled caramelized onions. Now, if you order a burger from In-N-Out Burger normal and you ask for onions, they just give you the fresh the raw onions. But if you go animal style, they grill them, which gives you a whole different experience because they're grilling them on the grill with the burger. And so you got the seasoning and all the juices and all this stuff. Oh my God. So now they also do that. They do the grilled chopped onions and everything, mix it all together, pour it on top of your fries, and you have animal style fries, which you see here in our video. The other thing we have is a Neapolitan Shake. I never can say this right because I want to say Napoleon. Neapolitan Shake. That's what it's called, the Neapolitan Shake. And what this is, it's strawberry, vanilla, and chocolate all mixed together in equal segments in the thing. Now, unfortunately, this version that we got here, it seemed like have a lot of chocolate that they topped it off with. But if you mix it up, it's all mixed together, and it has a great taste because it doesn't taste chocolate, doesn't taste strawberry, it doesn't taste vanilla. It's a mix of everything. So, this is one of my favorite orders to take and make from In-N-Out Burger. I got to tell you, it is tasty as hell. Now, normally I would recommend you sit down and eat this all in one setting. I mean, if you can, well, good for you, but you may want to check with your doctor first. But I got to tell you, it tastes great. Normally I'll eat all the fries because In-N-Out fries are made fresh. And if you just take them home or eat them later, they're just not that good. They're good fresh right out of the cooker, and of course they've got the sauce on them and everything. I always eat them right away. They're just so good. And usually it's best to take a fork and mix this all up. With the burger, it is exceptional. You must try it. If anything, try a 2x2 or a double burger, double cheeseburger you can take and get from them. But this is a 3x3. And I got to tell you, I loved it. I almost loved it more than a 2x2. And I highly recommend getting the extra toasted bun in this case, because what happens is the juices will seep into the burger and you kind of get this mucky sort of burger. So extra toasted kind of gives it a little bit added zing flavor, but also make sure that everything holds together as you eat this and put this into your belly. So anyway, I highly recommend you check out In-N-Out Burger. I recommend also if you go there, just try and go there once every 6 months or every few months, or don't make this a daily thing, please. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. Be sure to give us a like, subscribe to us on YouTube. Watch for more on the Chris Voss Show channels of all the interesting food values that are out there, different reviews, and all that good stuff. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.